ya NYANCHWA mission iyo bwate kanisa enyagitari n'ekisukuru nigo besokire na KOEMURUNGANIA buno omuntu nare otagete gukuruma Endemero iyo yane nitu n'ekisukuru cyabo gukora senseme iyo nigo babolirie abubare neganga yo gukuruma Endemero iyo gotiga kegima onyataribo nigo barachiye Okorobekana kera eiki.
As I can give you a short history that our grandfathers donated this land for the mission, and the purpose for the mission, that is education, health, and a missionary. But they have twisted, they have started selling land, and they are not considering community. I'm going to read a short statement from the community that is why we are demonstrating today. Today we gather here to demonstrate against planned demolition of the historical NYANCHWA church, grabbing of NYANCHWA mission land, corruption, mismanagement of the institutions of NYANCHWA, hospital and schools, among others. Our grandfathers, led by pioneer Pastor Paul Nyamoya, donated over 42 acres of land to Seventh-day Adventist missionary work to advance Adventism in Kenya and East Africa. We are so disappointed to learn that the leaders of South Kenya Conference, led by Pastor Paul Kiage, President, Pastor Leonard Ayencha, Secretary, Pastor Elijah Onyancha, Treasurer, have aided corruption, land grabbing, mismanagement of the schools and the hospital for personal and selfish gain. Therefore, we demand as follows: stop the planned demolition of the historical NYANCHWA church. 2. Land survey and amalgamation of all church land and to be registered under NYANCHWA church community. Asset audit and registry of all church assets. Human resource audit, since most of the staff employed at the hospital and school lack proper qualification to offer quality services, thus poor performance of our institutions.